Your Wi-Fi is connected, but website just won't load. Frustrating, right? In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access problem on Windows 11 Pro. Fast, simple, and 100% working solutions. Click on the Start menu and search for View Network Connection. Right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter and select Disable Device. Wait for a few seconds, then right-click again and hit Enable. This resets the adapter and your Wi-Fi will be fixed. If does not fix your Wi-Fi issue, let's move to another method. Go to Device Manager, click on your Wi-Fi adapter. If you are not sure which one is your Wi-Fi adapter, then search for View Network Connection. Then, if you're using internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet, see the adapter name and come back to again on this and right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and click on it. Let's window check and install the latest version, and your problem will be fixed. If does not fix your Wi-Fi issue, let's move to another method. Again, open your search bar and type View Network Connection. Click on it, then select your Wi-Fi adapter, then right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter, then click on Properties. Then double-click on Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. Then select Use the following DNS server and type in the preferred DNS server box 8.8.8.8. In the alternate DNS server box, type 8.8.4.4. This is a Google DNS server. Once you are finished, click on OK, then OK. And that's it. Your Wi-Fi problem will be fixed. If does not fix your Wi-Fi issue, let's move to another method. Now from the search bar type command prompt. After that, navigate to Run as the administrator. Then command window will open. I will give you a few comments in the description or the comments. Then type this command one by one and hit enter. After applying all the commands, restart your PC and your problem will be fixed.